In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. Before we begin, it helps to know what's possible. Wix is a hosted platform, which means your site's code and structure live on Wix's servers. Unlike some open source tools, Wix does not provide a full site export with all the HTML, CSS, and functionality bundled together. Instead, you can download specific assets and certain pieces of content. With that in mind, let's walk through what you can save and how to do it cleanly. Start by opening the Wix site you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct site dashboard so the actions you take apply to the right project. From here, go to Settings, then open Advanced and choose Export Download Site. This page is where Wix outlines your available download options and their current limitations. Treat it like a reference point. It clarifies what you can export and what isn't supported. If you were hoping to grab a complete offline version of the site, this is where Wix explicitly notes that a full export isn't available, so you can align expectations and focus on the assets you can take with you. Now, the most common thing people want to save is their media. To download images, videos, audio files, or documents you've uploaded, open the Media Manager. This is the central library that houses all the files used across your site. Once you're in, browse to the folders where your assets are stored. You can select individual files or use multi-select to choose several at once. When you're ready, click Download. If you select multiple items, Wix may bundle them into a compressed archive so you can save them in one go. A few tips to make this smoother. First, give your files clear descriptive names before downloading. That way, when they land on your computer, you'll know exactly where each image belongs. Second, check the file's size and resolution in the Media Manager. Downloading the original quality version is best if you plan to reuse the file elsewhere, especially for print or high-resolution displays. Third, keep your local folders organized to mirror your Wix folders. It makes it easier to find assets later and reduces accidental duplicates. If you rely on media from external sources or stock libraries, verify that you have permission to reuse those files outside of Wix. Also, remember that downloading media does not replicate your site's layout, apps, or interactive features. Those will need to be rebuilt if you're moving to a different platform. That's it. Open your site, review the Export Download Site section to understand what's available, and use the Media Manager to download the files you need. Follow these steps and you'll have your key assets safely stored on your device.